In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and preview your Wix site specifically for mobile users. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps, but it's crucial to ensure your site looks great on all devices. Let's begin by opening up the Wix Editor in your Chrome browser. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to the website you'd like to work on. If you don't have Chrome installed, I highly recommend downloading it, as it offers seamless performance with the Wix platform. Once you have your site open in the Wix Editor, you'll notice a responsive interface that's geared towards desktop editing. However, today we're focused on optimizing for mobile users, so we're going to switch to the mobile view. To do this, look towards the top of your editor's toolbar. You'll see a mobile phone icon nestled there. Clicking on this icon is key, as it transforms your editing window into a view that mirrors how your site will appear on mobile devices. This is a vital step because it allows you to visualize potential issues or necessary tweaks from a mobile perspective. Now that you're in the mobile view, focus on the mobile editor settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Reset Mobile. This button is crucial for anyone who has made mobile-specific customizations that they now wish to discard. Perhaps you want a fresh start, or maybe things just aren't looking quite right. To initiate the reset, click on the Reset Mobile button. Once clicked, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to reset all mobile customizations back to default. Resetting will remove all changes you've made specifically for mobile and revert your design to its original state. Confirming this reset is a step you shouldn't take lightly. Double check that this is indeed what you want to do. If you're happy and certain, go ahead and confirm the reset. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so ensure you won't lose any crucial mobile changes that you intended to keep. Now that the mobile settings have been reset, it's time to preview how your site looks on a mobile device. The preview feature is particularly helpful for ensuring that all elements display correctly and that the user experience on mobile is smooth. Spend some time here clicking through your site, testing navigation, and reading text to make sure everything is clear and functional. Once satisfied with how your site performs on mobile, don't forget the final step: publish your changes. Publishing makes all your hard work live. With these steps completed, your Wix site should be fully optimized and ready for mobile users to enjoy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Keep experimenting with your site's design and features, as mobile optimization can significantly enhance your users' experience and engagement.